Hey guys!
Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to watch and react on the 4th episode of Heartstopper on Netflix.
Yeah.
Last time it was the episode was Kiss, and it was the kisses between Nick and Charlie.
Yeah.
And it was an amazing episode, and so far it was our favorite one. And
but I was pissed.
Very she was pissed because at the end we didn't get to see the talk between Charlie and Nick, because Charlie left the party thinking that Nick regretted the kiss. And it was really sad and all, and Nick ran under the rain to Charlie's house to talk.
Yeah.
So it's gonna start with this talk, I think.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited.
And the title of this episode is Secret.
Yeah.
Which means they probably will be together in secret.
Yeah.
And I say probably, but I know the story because I read the book, but I don't want to spoil Mary, so I'm pretending I don't know.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty excited to see this
episode.
You ready?
Yeah. Go!
Okay, play. The rain sound.
Yeah.
I'm sorry for not texting you. I just wanted to talk in person.
Okay.
The effect is so amazing.
Just come when you get your soaked. Yeah, good idea.
He is already soaked, Charlie.
Yeah.
Oh. I didn't check the weather before I left. Idiot.
Idiot.
Well, don't forget we're going to Grandma's this morning, Charlie. You could have at least changed out of your pyjamas.
Let's go to my room.
I think the mother has doubts about Nick. Because she knows her son, and she knows he's weird. He's acting weird.
Ooh.
I didn't think properly about what I was doing, and it was a stupid thing to do.
Don't apologize.
So
No.
Because it was all my fault. Charlie, hang on. I shouldn't have kissed you.
Yes.
Yes, he had to kiss him because he was so sad.
Yes.
He's lifting up.
Yeah.
He's so cute. He's even more confused now. Oh, Nick.
So sorry.
Why are you guys apologizing? Like, stop!
I'm just so sorry I ran away last night.
Yeah, you
Just
can say
freaking
sorry
out
for
because
that.
I was confused. I was just so confused.
Oh.
Yeah, you were.
I've just been
And it's alright.
so confused.
Charlie, come on, tell him it's okay.
Oh.
Oh, that's so cute, I can't. Oh, don't cry, Charlie. It's fine. Oh, Charlie, no, not Charlie, Nick. Oh my
Nick.
God, I'm so confused. Charlie knows exactly what he's being through because he was having this crisis as well before coming out.
At school, is it okay if we, keep this a secret? Yeah. I just don't really know if I can, come out as anything. Yeah.
He's asking him to do the same that Ben did. But it's different because he knows Nick
Yeah.
is, you know, having feelings for him and respecting him. Inside, Charlie's probably like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
I think when... Bye.
He's probably going to, he's probably going to scream once the door is closed.
Yeah. Oh.
He's going to his friends. You bet he's going to his friends. Oh no. Why are they always saying hi? Yes, a kiss. Oh, that hurts. This is so cute. Nick's face. He's so confused, but happy.
And happy, yeah.
Yeah. It's gonna be so hard at school to just pretend, you know.
Hey.
Hey,
Especially with this girl.
something's different. The University of Hairstylists.
Wow. Yeah, seems legit.
Oh, I've got to go.
She's cute.
Yeah.
And if she knows him since a while, it's understandable that she likes him.
He smiles, he's so happy.
Yeah, he is. He knows he's gonna sit next to him, that's why.
Yeah.
Nick, look, he's smiling too. Come on, they say they will keep it a secret, but it's written on their faces.
Yeah.
Always say hi, 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 bye, bye. That's so cute. I can't. Ta-da!
Oh.
Is this how it's going to be now? Am I officially the third?
The third away. Oh.
Oh, Tao.
Oh, yeah.
These two are so cute as well.
Yeah.
They really need to confess their love to each other, like for real.
Are they?
There's a boy in there.
They are totally. That you can see it. They love each other.
It's great boy crush.
At
Yeah,
least
but-
they like each other a lot.
It's on the rugby team.
Yeah, but are they going to confess their love to each other?
I can't tell you. I won't spoil you.
Clearly, I need to be here to get tips on how to be good at rugby. Oh, really? So that's what this is actually all about then?
Maybe.
It was nice to be able to ditch
Oh, they're so cute.
All I
Yeah.
want to do at lunch is just
Their hand on the table, you know.
chuck stuff at people. Chuck stuff. Yep. Mainly Harry. He's an idiot. My friends are nothing like you.
Yeah,
Or even
he
mine.
is.
Told you.
Yeah.
Told you.
I used to come here a lot last year.
That's why Nick's mother said that he was himself around
He was the
Charlie.
teacher who really cared that much.
Okay.
Gonna tackle anyone, or is he just gonna stand there? Why'd he even join the team?
Right.
Shut up, Harry.
Yeah.
We all need to step up for this St.
I just want to
So
slap him, you
girl.
know.
Yeah.
About the tackling, you've really got to commit to it. Okay? Try not to worry about
It's
getting
easy
hurt.
to say,
Just throw yourself
easier
into
to
it.
say than to do it.
Yeah.
It's all about confidence.
Well, it's hard to be confident when they all see me as a stereotypical gay boy who can't do sports.
A lot of gay people are good at sports, Charlie.
Yeah.
Just think it's Harry and go.
Exactly. Punch this.
Or Ben.
Yeah. That's too soft, Charlie.
Yeah.
You will hurt yourself. better. I love that he really wants to, you know, try and do it well.
Yeah.
He's happy because he did it well. It's so cute.
Actually, when you think about it, there are 1,200 people at this school, so at least a few of them are going to be
Girls.
Maybe you're a lesbian and you have no idea.
Cute.
It'll die down soon, won't it?
The kid's face.
Really hope so.
Tara literally kisses her girlfriend at a crowded party, and people are still asking her if she's dating a guy she kissed once when she was 13.
Yeah,
So
stupid.
that girl is her girlfriend?
That girl, I'm right here.
Alright, fine, I was just
Yeah.
Like, just so you know, me and Nick are basically together, so I just needed to check.
You and Nick Nelson are together.
You definitely are with him.
No.
You need to get over yourself. Yeah, sure. You have a picture with him, so you're getting out with him. Yeah, sure. Okay.
So you and Nick are definitely not.
I'm a lesbian.
Okay. I'm not like homophobic. I'm an ally.
Congratulations. We thank you for your service.
Okay, she's Imogen is stupid.
Nick again. He's been eating lunch with him a lot. They're
Ciao.
in the honeymoon phase. It's not even like they're dating. Unless they are.
Oh, friends don't even know they are dating.
Look at them.
No.
It's a bad idea to even walk near them.
Maybe they're going to be pissed and
He's
hurt.
putting himself in danger just because
Yeah, Tao is afraid that Charlie's gonna be hurt. See, by this stupid boys. Yeah, Nick, do something. Your friends are stupid.
Yes. Can I have the ball back?
That's all? You're not going to apologize for your friends?
No. It's mine now.
I knew it.
Whoa!
I knew he was gonna do that. It's not even him who sent the ball on him. He's taking everything again because of his friends.
Yeah.
It's not his fault.
Not gonna flake out today, are you, Charlie? No.
Harry, shut up and get lost.
Yeah.
Right, let's line up, guys.
Oh my god, excuse me, where's our home? I see you all the time.
Oh, so this is Tara.
Oh, he's so jealous all the time.
Charlie! My guy? I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm mainly here to get acquainted with the local gays. But, you know, you and Nick Nelson are looking suspiciously coupley.
Oh my god, please ignore her.
We're friends. He's my friend.
Well, friends as in friends or friends as in friends?
Darcy.
I love Darcy, but she has the eye.
No, nothing but my gay intuition.
Why are the other team literal adult men? They're a specialist sports school.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow.
Elle.
Darcy.
Sorry. Nervous.
Yeah, they look extremely big.
Yeah.
Jesus.
So, does anyone remember the rules of rugby? Because I don't.
No. That would be me.
Totally you.
Nick seems to be worried about Charlie.
Yeah.
Is Harry Green picking on Charlie?
Maybe they're friends.
That's even worse. Next thing you know, Charlie will be bringing the whole rugby team to our film night to making us watch Avengers or something.
Is that your nightmare scenario? Watching a movie you hate
Oh.
or you don't like very much?
Charlie's my friend.
Doesn't
He
like
doesn't like
Avengers.
Avengers. No, he don't.
Hey, I
35 points. What
Whoa.
the heck? Oh my god. Oh damn. His face. Come on, go check on him.
Hey.
He's checking on him.
I don't know.
Yeah.
You see, you've got some mud on your face though.
Nick, he doesn't have just mud on his face. He has it all over his shirt.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Sorry for interrupting, but Miss Singh told me to give you some antiseptic wipes.
Isaac is like, ooh,
Yeah.
am I
That's
interpreting
something here. Yeah.
I can't believe you just actually suggested that. You, Tao Su, king of getting involved.
Shut up. I was asking to your friends though.
Yeah,
They seem cool.
they are.
Have they replaced us?
As if anyone could replace your incredibly annoying, loud presence in my life.
I wanted to ask you if, like, this is really random, but maybe we could, like, go out somewhere together.
Uh-oh.
Like,
Nick.
a date or something.
No, 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 no. Because of his friends, he's gonna say yes.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah. I guess so.
Mhm. No.
It's bad because he's giving hopes up for the girl,
Yeah.
and she has
Tao
no
and Elle.
hope. Yeah.
Yeah. They listen. Okay.
Yeah, that was a good episode. I preferred the one before with the kisses, but it was cute, especially the beginning. Especially the beginning when you have the talk, the explanation of Nick
Yeah.
to Charlie, and Charlie running under the rain to have another kiss.
Yeah.
From Nick. This was really really cute.
Cute. Yeah.
Yeah, and Hal and Tao, yeah, they like each other. It's really clear.
Yeah.
And I can't tell you because I don't want to spoil you, but you will see. And yeah, it was really really cool. We see Harry again, and this piece of I can't say more about this boy, but you will understand later why he is like this.
Okay.
And yeah, it's a cool episode. We see
Yeah.
Nick struggling
Mhm.
at school.
I really
because it
like
is-
Darcy.
Yeah. Yeah, she's funny.
Yeah.
I like Tara as well.
Mhm.
I like every character really, but the three couples are just perfect.
Mhm. Not
And
the friends of Nick are so jerks. You know.
yeah,
Their
they are.
love
I told
and
you.
yeah.
I told you they were. Well,
Mhm.
Harry is, but you will see that some of his friends are more acceptable than what Nick believes.
Yeah. Yeah.
You will see.
Okay.
Can't
Yeah,
tell you
I'm
more
really,
because I
really-
don't want to spoil you.
I'm really, really happy that they're together. Even
Yeah,
if it's in
they're
secret,
in
but
secret, but yeah.
so cute.
And yeah, it's not like Ben, because with Ben there were no feelings.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Ben is there.
Yeah. Well, we'll see you guys on the next episode.
Yeah.
Tell us in the comments what you thought about this episode, if you liked it or not. If you are think the same about Nick's friends. If you hate Harry like we hate him.
And what is your favorite character? Or?
Yeah, it would be interesting to know. What is yours?
Mine?
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe Tao or Darcy, maybe. Or Alice.
Mine is Charlie.
Yeah, he's
so
cute, but yeah, I really like Nick and Charlie, but really Tao makes me laugh every time.
That's what is interesting in this story, in these books, that now is a show, because you are loving a lot of characters and not just the main couple, you know.
Yeah, that's cool.
So yeah, guys, tell us in the comments what you thought about this episode. What is your favorite character? And we'll see you on another video. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already and if you want it. And yeah, take care. Bye.
Bye.